These portobello mushroom rings are a fun twist on onion rings and make a fabulous savory and crispy appetizer, or a delicious addition to a burger or salad. The mushroom rings are crispy on the outside and have a great meaty texture on the inside. Let's get started by prepping our mushrooms. Here I have some beautiful portobellos that I've stemmed and degilled. Here I have a blend of 3 parts peanut oil to 1 part Kikkoman toasted sesame oil. Toss the portobello mushrooms in the oil blend to coat and then season with salt and pepper. Place the mushrooms on a baking sheet and roast in a 400-degree oven for 15 to 20 minutes or until caramelized and soft. Remove the mushrooms from the oven and allow to cool before handling. The mushrooms will reabsorb most of the liquid on the sheet pan. Using different diameter ring cutters, cut the roasted portobello caps into concentric circles from large to small. Be sure to include the center stem piece as it will serve as the donut hole of the mushroom. Now we'll make the breading. Here I have Kikkoman Japanese style tempura batter mix that I've prepared according to package instructions. Next, fill a 2-inch deep hotel pan halfway full with Kikkoman panko Japanese style toasted breadcrumbs. Blot the mushroom rings with a paper towel to absorb the excess liquid. Dip the portobello mushroom rings into the tempura batter and then dredge them in the panko, pressing lightly on the mushrooms to make sure the panko sticks. Arrange the rings in a single layer on a parchment-lined sheet pan and then refrigerate until you're ready for service. Let's get frying. Fry the portobello rings until golden brown and remove from the oil. Arrange the mushroom rings in a tall pile, drizzle with Kikkoman Sushi Sauce, and garnish with cilantro and scallions. There you have it, portobello mushroom rings, a crispy and delicious shared appetizer that your customers will love.